Good YouTube, Gary here with 5 Daily Breaks. In this video, we are doing week number 1 of our modular school. Last week, I meant to post a picture and I forgot. I apologize for that. Right now, here is a picture of what the final product is supposed to look like. Alright, much like the first few weeks of the Tribune Tower, these first couple weeks I don't imagine are going to be all that interesting, but I'm going to post nonetheless. Like I said, previous video, I'm kind of excited. I had 4 large projects that I wanted to do. The Tribune Tower was actually number 2. I moved that up to number 1 because of the I got a good deal on the instructions. Brickvolt had a Black Friday, so yeah, it's been that long. I bought the instructions in November on Black Friday, and slowly I was setting aside pieces and stuff like that. It didn't start until January, and now we're on to what, week 20, 21, somewhere around there. But yeah, this was actually number 4, and I bumped this up because if you can see in the picture, hopefully I'll remember to add another picture here. This is all sand blue windows, and if you know, when modulars retire, all those pieces, those parts skyrocket. So I decided to move this up because the corner garage has a lot of those sand blue windows, and it is set to retire. So that's my line of thinking. So I moved 4 up to 2. 2 became 1. So what's 3 and 4, you probably won't know until January sometime. But let's see how farther we can go on week 1.